making me really cold. Feels nice though after a couple seconds.
Fuck me. Fuck.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, I think the trail goes this way.
Ugh.
This is nice though. Oh man. We got a monster here.
Oh, what are you doing?
Hear that? Velociraptors. They see us. We're going to strike in any moment now. Good Lord. Clever girls. Oh my God.
Yep, that's you.
Absolutely. Kinda.
I remember we were looking to explore like that haunted bridge or something.
I think we gotta go that way. No idea where I'm going. My wife left me, which is okay. She wanted to go back to the truck. So far, I have seen snakes, rodents, bugs galore. I think I saw some fresh trout right over there. Some good looking eating trout. Did I mention I saw snakes? I saw 2 snakes. What kind were they? I don't know. Ones that don't like me and ones that I definitely don't like. That's all that matters to me. And these rocks are slippery. Whoop! It's like a nice little spot to hang out. How cool is this? Not the falls I was hoping for, but still pretty cool. Good thing I brought my bathing suit. Ah, this is nice. I've walked like 2 miles in this forest. I haven't seen any falls. That's a pretty cool view though. Pretty neat shots. Oh well. Something's chasing me. I'm just kidding. I feel like going for a jog. Whew. Made it back to civilization. Truck parked right there. Whew. Thanks for watching.